Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to record video and audio on Descript. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in descript.com. After that, you can of course go and download the application, and you can also go and log into your profile or register Descript if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So on the left side of the screen, as you can see, we have the projects, quick recordings, and we have the AI speakers, templates, and your workspace here. In the top right corner, we have your profile and all of the settings, and the new project button, which is one of the most important things. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and record video and audio on Descript. So first of all, launch Descript and create a new project. You can click on your project and then click video or audio project, whichever you want. For instance, let's go audio project. Then here, as you can see, click on the record button in the sidebar to open the recording panel. So you can record here, or you can click Control Alt plus R. Select the type of recording you want to make. So audio only, camera for video, or screen for recording. Choose your video inputs. You can select your microphone, camera, and screen. Click on settings to adjust the recording settings. You can enable options like studio sound for noise reduction and transcribe for live transcription. If you're recording multiple speakers, you can add speaker labels to identify different speakers. When you're ready, click the record button to start recording. Press the stop button when you're done recording. Descript allows you to record multi-track audio and video, which means you can record multiple inputs simultaneously and keep them in sync as you edit. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, guys, as always, bye guys.